Sometimes people seem to believe that putting money online to do business is a scam and there is no platform to be trusted. I am Taiwo Solomon. Do you ever have savings somewhere or you have some money in account you are planning to invest on or to do business with, but you have no idea on how to invest it on something? With my experience with online businesses, I have come to persuade you on how to invest your money online, which will make your money grow and you have more money for yourself. You'll be able to have more opportunity working while sitting at home. Today, I will convince you to do online trading to make money online. Specifically, I will tell you why we need more money, the reason why we need more money, and the best way to get more money. First of all, why do we need more money? As we can see in the life we are, we spend more money in different things, like we buy bags, shoes, like cars. The cost of living is very high. Like to buy different stuff, the high price will take most of your money. And secondly, most of us don't even have a good job. The unemployment rate is very high to the extent that we can't get the specific job we really desire. So the type of job we have can pay us what is supposed to pay us. Like it's not enough for our field or for our professional. So we manage to take care of the family, to take care of what we need. So therefore, unemployment causes us to have no money. What we need to buy, like the cost of living, is hard. Like for example, someone that is living in an apartment that has to pay like 8,000 and you are receiving like 800 in 2 weeks, you will still have to pay your phone bill, your insurance, you have to pay for your internet. So all these, before you calculate everything, you will see you have nothing left for yourself. So the idea of this online trading is to have more money for ourselves. Uh, with the cost of living, which is the problem of how we spend money, which is causing more problem, like taking most of our money. It will not be there. At least if we get rid of the cost of living, it will improve our ways of living. We have more life for ourselves. We won't have to be taking almost all our money. And again, the reason why we spend more money is that all these desires need to be met. We need to spend this money to buy all this because those are our desires. And without fulfilling our desires, it makes our lives boring to the extent that we give up on ourselves. Human being needs something, and when we don't get this something we desire, we get exhausted, frustrated, and tired of life. So, I'm going to talk about how to get more money. How can we get more money to to get away of this being boring? Uh, to get more money is to see what businesses we can do, any extra businesses. So today I'm going to be talking about online trading. Online trading is very easy. You stay home with the help of your internet, you connect to the internet, but I'm going to be using a platform called Robinhood. You have to download the Robinhood on your phone or on your laptop. Then you register as a starter. From there, you can check it's either stock or cryptocurrencies that you want to buy. Then within those stocks or cryptocurrency, I'll be using say for ETC as an let's use ETC as an example. We we will have to check if ETC is growing or moving downward. So we go to the Yahoo Finance, we check what people say about it, if it's really moving or going down. So after we have confirmed that it's going down, then we buy. After we might have bought it, then you will make sure that we check if it's going up. As soon as we find out that it's going up, then we can see that we are making profits. Then we can now sell. It depends. We have short time and we have long time. For some people, they can check within a day that they sell it. Some can wait for a long time period before they sell it. So that's how we make more money for ourselves. So today I have persuaded you to do online trading to make money online. I have explained why we need more money, what we spend money on, and the best way to get more money. Yes, it's possible to make money online, and not every online making money platform is a scam. We just have to research and do our findings properly from the right sources. Thank you.